Hi, today topic name is structure and execution of a C program, that is programming basics. Structure of a C program. C program contains documentation section, link section, definition section, global declaration section. In main function section, declaration part, executable part. Declaration part contains variables with the data types, and executable part means that process conditional statements. Subprogram section contains function names and n number of functions uh, included in the subprogram section. Structure of C program. C program can be viewed as a group of building blocks called functions. A function is a subroutine that may include one or more statements designed to perform a specific task. Documentation section. The documentation section consists of a set of comment lines giving the name of the program, the other and other details which the program would like to use later. Link section. The link section provides instructions to the compiler to link function from the system library. Definition section. The definition section defines all symbolic constants. Structure of C program. Global declaration section. There are some variables that are used in more than one function. Such variables are called global variables and are declared in the global declaration section, that is outside of all the functions. This section also declares all the user defined functions. Main function section. Every C program must have one main function section. This section contains two parts: declaration part, executable part. Declaration part contains all the variables used in the executable parts. Declaration parts. Executable part, there should be at least one statement in the executable part. These two parts must appear between the opening and the closing braces. The program execution begins at the opening brace and ends at the closing brace. Structure of a C program. The closing brace of the main function section is the logical end of the program. All statements in the declaration and executable parts end with a semicolon. Subprogram section. The subprogram section contains all the user-defined functions that are called in the main function. User-defined functions are generally placed immediately after the main function, although they may appear in any order. All sections except the main function section may be absent when they are not required. Structure of C program. Basic structure of a C program. Documentation section, link section, definition section, global declaration section that contains variable and executable parts, main function declaration part and executable part, subprogram function, user defined function, function 1, function 2 and function n. In documentation section, that is simple sample program. Link section has include stdio.h, has include conio.h. Definition section void fun of. Global declaration section int a equal to 0. In main function void main clear screen printf, enter the value, call the global function name, then void fun of printf inside the function. These are the structure of the C program. Executing a C program. Executing a C program written in C involves a series of steps. These are creating the program, compiling the program, linking the program with functions that are needed from the C library, and executing the program. Executing a C program. The program must be entered into a file. The file name can consist of letters, digits and special characters followed by a dot and a letter C. Example of valid file names are hello.c, program.c, evgl.c. The file is created with the help of text editor, that is notepad, and some standard C editors. The program that is entered into the file is known as source program since it represents the original form of the program. Okay, thank you.